What can I get for you?
A medium latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Iced, please, with extra ice.
What size would you like?
A large one, please.
Do you want sugar?
No sugar, just a little milk.
Anything else with that?
Yes, a chocolate muffin, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Would you like whipped cream?
Yes, please, on top.
We have a new flavor today.
What is it? I am interested.
Your total is $5.20.
Here you go, keep the change.
Your order is ready.
Thank you, it smells wonderful.